This is Gaming Lover, so we're playing Minecraft now, so let's get into it now. Today we're building our own village. So we add some villagers. So let's add some villagers, guys, and do not subscribe the Gaming Watcher, guys. So yeah. He got no white tea. He got no white tea. So let's go in another world. My world. Crazy. Crazy world. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It's a crazy world. Crazy. Okay. This is the balcony, so the village. This is so good. First wood. There we go. The awkward is if you do the frame, that will be not a villager house. So a villager house is super easy, but the big ones, many material stone, building, and there we go. You see, this is a villager house. You don't not do. Just comment down below if you hate villagers. Comment down below as well. This is almost. Just do this. Just do this. Now we need torches for the villagers. But anyway, this will not torch. Because villagers are not rich. Or as that villagers, it's very cool though. Makes your house fancy. We're all for it, guys, and hope you enjoy and bye.